question words, or interrogative words, or also known as WH words. Hi friends! Welcome to my channel English Learning. In this video we learn about question words and how to use them. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And share this video. Question word or interrogative word is a function word used to ask a question, such as what, what time, when, where, which, who, whom, whose, why don't, how many, how much, how often, how far, how long, how old, how come. What is used to refer to know about the name of a person and anything. Example: what is your name? What is her favorite color? What are you doing? What kind of music do you like? What time is used to refer to know about the exact time. Example: what time do you get up? What time will you come? What time did you wake up? When is used to refer to know about the time duration. Example: when will you go to office? When do you go to work? When did he leave? When do the shops open? Where is used to refer to know about the place or location. Example: where do you live? Where is the library? Where are my clothes? Where is he? Which is used to refer to know about the choice. Example: which one do you prefer, red or white? Which is better, this one or that one? Which day do you prefer for a meeting, Monday or Friday? Who is used to refer to know about the person. Example: who are you? Who is the best cricketer? Who opened the door? Who's that? Whom is used to refer to know about which person. Example: whom did you see? Whom will you meet? Whom do you wish to speak? Whom do you believe? Whose is used to refer to know about the ownership. Example: whose turn is it? Whose are these keys? Whose is this book? Why is used to refer to know about the reason. Example: why are you late? Why does he complain? Why do you sleep early? Why do we need a servant? Why don't is used to refer to making a suggestion. Example: Why don't I help you? Why don't you come with us? How is used to refer to know about the condition or quality. Example: how does this work? How was your exam? How are you? How can I learn English? How many is used to refer to know about the quantity, countable. Example: how many cars are there? How many people live here? How many students are there? How much is used to refer to know about the quantity, uncountable. Example: how much money do you have? How much time have we got? How much time you take? How often is used to refer to know about the frequency or attempts. Example: how often does he study? How often are you sick? How often do you visit your hometown? How far is used to refer to know about the distance. Example: how far is the bus stop from here? How far is the school from your home? How long is used to refer to know about the duration or length. Example: how long did you stay in that hotel? How long will it take? How old is used to refer to know about the age. Example: how old are you? How old is he? How come is used to refer to know about the reason. Example: how come I can't see her? How come I didn't see you at the party?